Hello everyone, so today we'll be solving numericals on alternating current. So the first numerical is an alternating current is given by I equal to 50 sine 100 pi t. Find the frequency of current, mean current during a positive half cycle, virtual current and the current at t equal to 1 by 300 seconds. Yes, so the first we have to find the frequency. So from the equation we get that omega, that is angular frequency, is equal to 100 pi. So the formula of angular frequency we know is 2 pi into frequency. So frequency will be 100 pi by 2 pi. It is equal to 50 hertz. So this is the first answer. Second, we have to find mean current during a positive half cycle. So if you don't know, a cycle is this. If this is time and this is current. So a cycle is this and half cycle is this. This is t by 2, this is t. So a simple trick for this is just draw the cycle and remember for 1/4 cycle it will be 2 I naught by pi, and here in the negative side it will be minus 2 I naught by pi. So for 1/4 cycle, that is for this space, it will be, and for half cycle it will be 2 I naught by pi plus 2 I naught by pi divided by 2, which is 2 I naught by pi. So this is the answer that we require. So after substituting the value of I naught from this equation, that is 50, the value we get is 31.8 ampere. So this is the second answer. And if we want to find for 3/4 cycle, it will be 2 I naught by pi plus 2 I naught by pi minus 2 I naught by pi, which will be equal to 2 I naught by 3 pi. This is just a simple trick, and for the whole cycle it will be 0. You can check it by calculating. Now we have to find virtual current. Virtual current means I RMS, which is equal to I naught by root 2. We know I naught equal to 50. So 50 by root 2, which is 35.4 amperes. This is the third answer. And current at t equal to 1 by 300. So the equation we know is t is given 1 by 300. If we substitute it here, we get sine pi by 3, which is sine 60, and the value we get is 43.3 ampere. So this is the last answer. Second question is, a hot wire ammeter in an AC circuit reads 10 ampere. What is the peak current? An ammeter will always give you the RMS value of current, always. So here in the question it is given that I RMS equal to 10. So I naught we have to find. We know the formula of I RMS, I naught by root 2. Therefore this is the answer. The third question is, if the peak alternating current in a circuit is 21.2 ampere, find out the reading of an ammeter connected in the circuit. Similar to the previous question, here the peak value is given 21.2, that is I naught is given 21.2 ammeter. Now we have to find I RMS, which is easy because we know the formula. I RMS is equal to I naught by root 2, which is 1.2 by root 2, and the value is 15 ampere. You can use a calculator, you can just put the value of root 2. The fourth question, the equation of an AC voltage is V equal to 100 root 2 sine 100 pi t. Find the RMS value and the frequency of the voltage. So here the peak value is given. See, we know the formula V equal to V naught sine omega t. So from here we get that V naught is 100 root 2 and omega is 100 pi. So V naught is, therefore this is the first answer. Now omega we get, and we know the formula of omega, that is angular frequency, is 2 pi f. Therefore frequency is equal to 50 hertz. This is the last answer. Thank you so much for watching. These were the 4 easy questions from alternating currents. Just let me know in the comment section below if you need any more questions. Thank you.